Welcome to our tutorial on how to download the Discord app on your Android device. Discord is a popular messaging and voice chat platform for gamers and communities to connect and communicate. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Simply search for Discord in the search bar at the top of the screen. Next, select the Discord app from the search results. You should see it listed as Discord, Talk, Play, Hangout by Discord Inc. Tap the Install button to begin the download and installation process. The app will start downloading and installing on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app from your home screen. You will be prompted to sign in with an existing account or create a new one. If you are new to Discord, you can easily create a new account by entering your email address, username, and password. Once you have signed in or created a new account, you are ready to start using Discord. You can join servers, chat with friends, and even join voice channels to communicate with others. Overall, downloading the Discord app on your Android device is quick and easy. Simply follow these steps to get started and connect with others in the Discord community. Thank you for watching, and enjoy using Discord on your Android device.